Musamseleku was asking for a permission to Mayeni to have kids out of the wedlock, as Mayeni doesn't allow Musamseleku to bring the wife number 5. So Musamseleku came with another plan, but Mayeni doesn't allow again Musamseleku to have those kids out of the wedlock. Mayeni never supported Musamseleku. Musamseleku sometimes he was telling Mayeni the truth. We can take sides of Mayeni. What about Musamseleku? Because he is trying with his all means, but Musamseleku saw that Mayeni never support him in whatever he is doing. That's why Musamseleku decided to pregnant Makwela first, and he said to Makwela, you have to have a child, and I will bring you because you are already have a child. So Musamseleku came with a decision, because if Mayeni doesn't allow him to bring the wife number 5, only Musamseleku he want his kids. Imagine, guys, at other side, Mayeni doesn't want to have kids. She have got 3 kids. Maybe it's better can say I can have 5 kids or 7 kids with you. I think between Mayeni and Macele is an understanding woman than Mayeni. Macele understand that Musamseleku want 20 kids, but Macele can't give Musamseleku those kids. And Macele allow Musamseleku to marry other wives who can have kids with him. Macele doesn't have a problem on that. But when it comes to Mayeni, Mayeni doesn't want to have more kids. She doesn't want Musamseleku to bring the wife number 5. She doesn't want Musamseleku to have another child out of the wedlock. So it was a problem to Mayeni. That's why Musamseleku, every time he is planning to do things, he can do it by force, because he saw it when he is begging. Those wives, when he begged them, they don't allow them. But when he is doing things by force, they can end up say yes, you understand, because they don't have a choice. So sometimes it's difficult to him to allow them, especially Mangwabe and Mayeni. They want to do things on in their choices. What I saw, if they don't want, or they don't allow Musamseleku to do such a thing, because they think about themselves only. They don't think about another person, because when your husband is asking you to bring another wife, you don't want to have those kids out of the wedlock. You don't want to, you have to give him other kids with your womb. You don't want what she want sometimes. So we can blame her. But when it comes to Macele, she is not selfish like that. What I saw, she can think about both sides, because most of the time, yes, Macele doesn't like other wives, but when it comes to her husband, Macele can can sacrifice for her husband Musamseleku. What I saw, Macele, she is not selfish. That's why Musamseleku brought here a beautiful house. Macele deserve that house. Sometimes you can say what you want to say. That woman, she is not selfish when it comes between the two of them. We don't want to discuss about other people. Understand it? Macele, when we can talk about their marriage, the two of them, we don't want to bring Makumalo Mangwabi. Yes, they are not getting along with other wives. But when we between Musamseleku and Macele, when they are the two of them, they are very happy, and she is not selfish. Even the way they are discussing the two of them, Macele can do something that can impress Musamseleku every time nowadays. Musamseleku, he asked for the wife number 5, but Macele, she was trying to take other wives' side, Mangwabe and Mayeni, because they don't allow such a thing. But Macele think about her marriage, because it's between her husband and her husband. So sometimes, guys, we can judge her or what, because the other wives, they look like they are selfish. They don't support even one thing Musamseleku he can ask them to do, and they can't do those things or involving his dreams. What I saw, because if you say you can't have other kids, it means that your husband is going to have other kids with another wife.